Okay, hey everyone. So today I'm going to show you all how to create your own website using GoDaddy. So first I'm going to show you all my website, and I'm going to just basically navigate through my website, show you all what it looks like and stuff like that. If I can ever get to it. Okay, so this is my website. And as many of you may know, I do sell cosmetic products and I also sell hair. So I'm just scrolling down. You can see my lip glosses, my lashes, my hair, my lash babe, stuff like that. Excuse me. So we're going to click shop, just showing you all how my website is and stuff like that, like how to, be creative with your website, how to add on add-ons and stuff like that. So yeah. I'm actually getting a little better at this voiceover stuff, so yeah. So I'm going to click dashboard. It's going to take me back. Then I'm going to click website because I want to get off of my website now and go to a new website, a blank website, so I can show you all how to start it. So it says new website. I'm going to click on that. And once you do that, once you create a website on GoDaddy, it asks you like what kind of products are you going to be selling. So choose a category that best matches up to the products you're going to sell. So I'm just going to name this website One Stop Shop because I couldn't think of anything else. And I always say that my website is a one-stop shop because it is. So yeah. So GoDaddy has this thing where it says it takes the cookies from your phone or computer whenever you access the website. So I have that on my website. So I recommend you all to put that on your website just in case someone has, is trying to do some fraud and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna add a product on here. So it's better to always add an image so that people can know what the product is, what it looks like. Like, yeah, you're telling them what it is, but it always is better when they can actually see it. I'm just scrolling through to find a picture, random picture. So I found my logo. I'm just gonna use that. I'm just gonna name it sample because that's what it is. It's not really a real product or anything. I'm gonna put it as $5. We want to make sure you add tax on it. Make sure that it's shown on the website. Category name, sample. And the category is just basically like a tab on your website. Like on mine, it says lashes, and then it says extensions and stuff like that. So that's basically what that is. So now we have our product. You want to check inventory, and however many of the product you have, you want to add that. So I'm just going to say we have 100. Save it. We can add some options like color, sizes, stuff like that. So I'm going to put pink. Pink, black, and white. Save it. And the prices on every last one of them still says $5. So now I'm going to visit my website. And I'm going to start editing it. So you can change the color. You can change the theme. You can change everything. You can just customize it to however you want it to be. So I'm going to try this pink. change the font. I don't want it to look too similar to my website, so I'm going to change the color to black. And you can look at like different themes and stuff like that. Choose which theme is best for you or for your website. Since this one's going to be like a clothing site, I'm just going to click something that's similar. So yeah. Then like I said, I'm going to change the color to black. You can just play with it to find whichever color you want. And you can just scroll through to see, like, you see the plus signs and stuff like that. Add your social media at the bottom. There's not really much that I can show you all here because I have to pay for it. You know, like on my website, I have to actually pay monthly to have certain features. So if you want more features than what I'm showing you on this video, then you'll actually have to subscribe to the monthly website thing. And I think I pay like $15 a month or something like that. So yeah, I'm just showing you all how to customize your site, make it look different from everyone else. You can add a coupon. Just gonna say grand opening and put $10. So basically they're gonna get $10 off their order. And now the coupon is live. Visit the website. See how it looks. You add your own images and stuff like that. You add your social media. So now I'm going to show you all how to add your social media and how to get rid of that powered by GoDaddy, because you don't want that on your site. So you just can do that. You can add your URL to all of your social media. So I'm going to add my Instagram name, my YouTube, my Facebook. Click done. And then you want to publish it so that you know for sure that your changes are saved. And then this is the thing I was telling you about with the cookies. You want that on your site, definitely. You have a message for whenever they need help with anything, customize it. Pretty much you customize everything. So yeah, like I said, you're gonna publish it. So now our website is live. We can send a link out to people. They can go shop, stuff like that. So you see it says upgrade to a custom domain, because that'll get rid of the .GoDaddy. You don't want that. You want that .com or .co or .net. So you at the bottom, my link. That's my Instagram. I'm gonna click on the Facebook. It's gonna show you all my Facebook page. Don't mind my notifications, but yeah. So I'm gonna hurry up and click off that. And that is how you create your own website. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, do whatever. Shop the look at www.lashbabescosmetics.co.